Voice check one. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so this is workout outfit number one. I got something on my lip. Okay. I put my hand in a ponytail because you know I'm supposed to be, you know what I mean? Like athletic. I hope y'all can hear me because I didn't do a mic check. Okay, so let me clip this because this can clip on me, right? It sure could. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Because y'all know I like to kind of hold my mic in my hand. Okay, so we're going to put this little jacket on. But yeah, this is cute, right? So I don't know any of y'all who new here, if you not new here, or if you is new here, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But I did go down sizes a little bit. I've been trying to, you know what I'm saying, get 2 abs. And, you know, I did trim up a little bit. So, but I think a lot of women, we go through that. I'm one of those. I fluctuate in my weight sometimes. Sometimes I'm real thickums, and then sometimes but this is cute. Cause see, my issue is I don't want to be pulling up my pants the whole time I'm working out or something. So I mean, it's not giving that. It's giving like, you know. So this is like just a little jacket. What y'all feel about this? How y'all think? How y'all feel? How y'all think? How y'all feel? So this is the back. This is the side. This is the front. Right. Be in the gym like. Okay. All right. So next outfit. Okay, guys. So this is workout outfit number two. How's the back looking? How we looking back there? I don't like it. All right. You know what it is? I do like it. I get it. Like meaning, let me see something. Okay, yeah, you gotta like get bend it in there, like get in there. So this is a size small. The other stuff, everything I meant to tell you, the other outfit before this, the first workout outfit was all medium. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just put that in the video. But this is a medium. No, I'm lying. My bad, y'all. This is a small. Like I said, I did trim down a little bit. I have this is I'm small compared to, how thick I normally am. But okay, so like I said, I wanted this little jacket to go with it. The funny thing is I would wear this out with some sneakers. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got this crazy Rob 49 song in my head, y'all. His new song. What the hell? What the heliante? What the hell?
What the hell? What the heliante? What the
Don't
hell?
mind me. Don't mind me. Okay, this is cute. So it's given. It's definitely given. Me and my homegirl is gonna go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if my boobs. I'm jumping up and down because I'm trying to see if my boobs will come out of this. Yeah. See. So for sure, I would wear. I would zip this all the way up while I'm in the gym. Yeah, I would zip this all the way up like this while I'm in the gym so that I can, you know what I mean? So that my little boobs don't pop out. Because that's it's given that. It's given they will pop out. Pop out. But yeah, how y'all feel about this? How y'all rating it? Y'all like it? I don't like the back because I feel like, you know what I'm saying? It's not really. Ooh, is that a tear? It's I don't. Because I'm feeling on myself. My boo hootie, my boo hootie, my boo hootie. That's what I was feeling on, and I think I felt like a little hole. So if you can make it to Forever 21, y'all can get you some stuff. And yeah, that was workout outfit number 2. And the other pieces I have are just some casual wear. I'm out of breath and I don't like that. All right, outfit. This is outfit number 2. Now we going to number 3. All right, y'all. So this is outfit casual wear number 1. Now, hear me out. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't like this.
Nope.
I'm on the camera. Can y'all see? I'm on here. I'm on here. Okay. So the white top is cute. It's a bodysuit. It's not too bad. I would definitely cover this up though. Like I would be putting like a sweater over it or something. And then you can like accessorize here, put like a nice little cute chain. But let's get back to these pants. Okay. I'm not really good with low pants like this. I mean, they don't look bad, but the problem is this. Like all of this here, I don't like that. I feel like somebody can just come and just, you know what I mean? Like I don't like that. That. But then I said to myself, like, I could go take it to the cleaners and let them, you know what I'm saying, fix it for me, or I could get a belt. I don't know. What do y'all do? What do y'all normally do? Anybody have any suggestions when your pants gap like this in the back? I know most of the time you just go take it to the cleaners and get it. Okay, well let's put the sweater on with this. Let's hold on. Okay, so let me put y'all down for a second. Hold on. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I like this. I like this. I do. And with a nice little belt or whatever, and some like cute little shoes, like maybe like some sneaker shoes or something. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? I mean, once my hair and stuff, I'll fix it a little different. But this is not bad. Like this is definitely giving. I'm in the office. I'm here. I mean business. I need y'all to right. It's giving y'all that right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, tell me what y'all feel. Comment below. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't. But this is, casual. I'm in the office this week. You know what I'm saying? This is my little outfit. It's giving spring. Because, sometimes in the office it be cold. Because, once it get cold, like in the summertime, they going to blast the AC. So at least you got you know what I'm saying? This is comfortable. I like this. Yeah, this is a vibe. I messed with it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Comment below. All right, next outfit. Right, so this is the final look. This is casual wear number 2. Now I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I like this one. It's giving me like, oh, you got a real job. It's giving you got a career job or you got like a regular job or like you got like a job. Like I like this. You know what I'm saying? It's giving me, I mean, business. And yeah, I'm feeling this. I like the pants. So I did get this little jacket. I showed y'all. Hold on one second. Let's put the jacket with it. Hold on. Oh, and we pretty much recycled this white bodysuit because I didn't get a top for these pants yet. Listen, I haven't dressed casual like this footwork in a minute. Okay, y'all. So y'all got to comment below. Tell me what y'all think. Once I do my hand stuff, it'll bring it together. Because right now I look like, you know. But what y'all feel about this jacket? I like the jacket. Let me turn around because I'm just in the mirror. I'm just neglecting y'all. I'm not even letting y'all really see. What is it giving you? It's giving model. It's giving like she put her on a Zara campaign. That's what's giving y'all. Let's button it up. This is cute though. This is definitely cute to me. I like this jacket, even with like a pair of jeans or something. This is cute. How y'all feel about this? I don't know. Like, I don't know. Y'all gotta tell me. This is why I say y'all my besties. Come on, we rocking out. I take opinions very well. I take constructive criticism very well. So like, what is it giving? Yes, no, maybe so. Oh, it buttons up like all the way up like this too. Look at that. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So you can put this on with like a turtleneck or something, right? Well, turtlenecks is over because we really about to be hot outside. So how y'all feel about this? Hold on. So would you wear heels with this or like sneakers? Cause in the office, like I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't have to wear like shoes, but I want to get me a nice pair of shoes. I was thinking about getting me some Pradas or something like a black pair, like the original black leather pair, cause I can just go with anything. Like who's gonna, you know what I'm saying? The Pradas. I don't know how y'all feel about that. Comment below, please. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Smash that subscribe button. Yeah, but I like this. This is cute. You know, this is me just stepping back into the office. I haven't been inside work or 9 to 5 in a year. So I'm going back, you know what I'm saying? Be of service. I have some goals that I need to reach. Like, look at this. Come on. Sponsor me. Tell me to come be in an ad. All right, guys, that's the final look. Make sure you comment below. I'm taking suggestions. Every time I go and do a little shopping, I'm going to make sure I check in with y'all so y'all can see what I be getting and stuff. And yeah, follow me on other social media. And we're out of here. We're out of here, boys and girls. Until next time.